Discovery Science Kit bubble light. It's gonna be awesome.
And we're really excited because it's our first time making a lava lamp, and my brother has always wanted one. And I've never really thought of it, but it sounds really exciting.
Okay, so how it's gonna work is we're gonna take off the top, and then you pour in 1/3 of vinegar, fill this up to like 1/3 of it of vinegar.
We have a ruler if you need help.
Oh, that's for the olive. That's for the oil.
Got it. This is really.
That should be enough.
I feel like the vinegar is evil because it smells so bad from
I
the
know,
last
right?
few videos. That rocket explosion.
Let's see. Right up until here. Okay, Celine, you can pour the oil.
Thanks. Should I use this? So now I'm gonna be pouring in the oil, and I'm really scared because what if it spills?
Okay, make sure you pour it up to the 0 right there.
Got it. Oof.
Stop.
Got it.
It's a little much, but it's fine. It's fine.
It's
a tiny bit.
We should close this now so it doesn't
And
spit.
now we turn on the light. Oh no, oil. There we go.
Quick,
The
close
outlet.
the top. Oh right, we
have
have
top.
added it.
And now we add the tablet. We're gonna use the pink tablet.
Oh, that looks
So cool. Look at it. It's like going up.
and going down like diagonally.
It's like a mountain. It's going in a circle. It's like a cycle. Look at that.
Whoa, those are really big ones.
And then they crash back down. It's awesome.
The really weird thing is that the pink hasn't taken over the, yellow.
Yeah, it's weird.
This isn't going to be the only episode of the bubble light lava lamp thingy, so we're going to make a lot of other episodes about this. So, in the future, please watch them.
Well, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe.
Bye.